Hi, welcome back to another video, and in which today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Flappy Bird game, and this is part 8. I know it's kind of getting too long. I hope you enjoyed part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7, and over here is part 8. I'm going to be making a retry button. Yay! The retry button, if you need sprites like game over, just like those, you can even make a play button, but that is like, all right, I'll see about that. Let's really draw a new sprite in which we can, let's really draw one. We can take our nice backdrop scenery, place it well, place it right over here. Okay, yeah, so I can place them. And remember, these are going to always go in the forward layer. So it means the numbers, except you can just leave this guy. Yeah. These are always gonna go in the forward layer. So I took this as a sprite because I don't know. I could have taken the backdrop also, but it's okay. Let's save the project. So what I want to do is make these numbers go in the front layer first, so that it's not hidden back. Front layer, go to front layer, just like that over here. Let's do the same with this guy. Let's go to the front layer. Okay, as you remember, we even made this. So in the start, it should hide. If I'm making a play button, it should show. And one thing, if you're making a play button or a retry button, the main thing is you have to remove the when flag clicks, because it's a broadcast message thing, Alright. Let's quickly remove all of those. Flag. Oh my god, many cats are screaming down. Means crying, actually. Okay, we can leave the when I receive, but the other ones, I'll just throw the flags out quickly. Yeah. So in the pipe and everything, you have to throw these, and it takes time. So I'll quickly pause the recording and just quickly do it. Okay, I finally removed every single when flag clicked except for our and I don't think so I'll need this guy. We can handle everything in the backdrop. So it should be like in when flag clicked. We need a when flag clicked. Oh, stupid me. Yeah. So we'll need a when flag clicked. Let's really do that. In the Flappy Bird, okay? Not anywhere else. Hide. Take this to the ground. Take this to the score line. And take these to the numbers. And as you can see, something shakes whenever I bring them like this. That means that you're putting them into it. As you can see, it's in the numbers also. That's what you can take it to the other numbers. Other numbers. This guy also. Okay, we got everything. Now we have to work on the backdrop. So when flag clicked, we should say it is supposed to bring a play button. So let's really draw a play button. 1 minute. I think so. I should throw this backdrop and duplicate these backdrops and add this game over right there. Let's copy that, throw that out, paste that so that it looks nice. That's why. Alright, that's good. I guess a little here, a little bit over there. Yeah, that's then now what we need is play buttons. You can find these sprites in the links description, in the links in the link. Well, I added them in the description box below. The link is there. It's in the project. So let's really draw a sprite, which we already did, and links in the description box below. Again, about the buttons, it's kind of hanging because I have a lot of stuff in my backpack. So error loading back, but that comes, it's completely normal. So now what you have to see is take is a button, like a play button, start, something like this. Start. All right, these this start. I think so. The oh shit! What did I do? Stupid me again. Start. I know it's not the best looking one, but yo, that's I can do it. Let's just duplicate this. No. So that to just make it look way better, I can copy this, paste it over here. Kinda looks dumb, but yeah, that's what I can do. Copy it, paste it, and ha! This is what I can draw for now. So we drew this. What is this? Okay. Yeah, I'm only making the start. You can even make a retry one. So let's just put that here. Done. I don't want to do any more time wasting stuff. So now what we want to do is go in our sprite, which is a start button. I named it start button. Start, yeah. So let's take a when flag clicked. It is supposed to uh, show, and the same thing in the backdrop. When flag clicked, it is supposed to switch its costume, switch backdrop to, let's say, game on backdrop, and game starting backdrop, game starting backdrop. All right, starting backdrop, switch to game starting backdrop. In the flag clicked, it is supposed to show over here, show. Then after that, it is supposed to broadcast a thing called, oh, sorry, my bad. So yeah, did this, and then now what we want to do is we want to make a if then else statement, and in a forever loop. If then we want some button effects. If then touching mouse pointer, it should looks, in the looks there's something called set color effect to 0, but we'll take ghost effect to 25. Just doing this. Okay, 35 might be too much. 10. And then we even in the else we want to set it to 0. Yeah, we got a button effect. Yay, we got a button effect. I'm not adding much. Then you can even add a leaderboard, but encoding decoding boring. Yeah, nothing happens when you click. So we even want to add a button effect. I'm running kind of low on time, so it's okay. If then mouse down. So what we can say is, in the if then mouse down. Oh, sorry. If then touching mouse pointer and mouse down. So you have to add an and if you're not using when sprite clicked. And in the and we add both of these, and after that we can say that it is supposed to now do its thing. Change size think it should be here. Yeah. And when flag clicked, it should go to the current position. X should be 0 actually. Okay, that kinda is bad. So let's put it there. Yeah. So now what we want to do is put a button effect. So to change size, set size to its actual size is actually 100. I think so 120 is the best. Yeah, 120. So we even want to set size to 120 in the start so that we are 100% sure. Now we want to set size to 100. Wait for about 0.5 seconds, and then it is supposed to set size to a to 120. Wait for about 1 second and broadcast a thing called, for now let's not do that. Don't you think 0.5 is too much? 0.5 may be too much. 0.2, that may be good. What? Alright. Wait for 1 second, broadcast, and then it is supposed to hide itself. Hide. Okay. Right? One thing I'm not liking about the backdrop is that this thing is just too there. Yeah. I know it's a worse, but don't judge me. Yeah. Now I have this start button's code. Now it's gonna broadcast game over and restart. Okay. Start button, not game over and restart. Just duplicate this thing right over there, and we can duplicate this. Oh, sorry. And add something called a when I receive thing, when I receive game over restart, but we want it even to switch its costume to a restart button, so I don't care about that. You can find a nice restart button because I really couldn't find. I stole so many stuff but still couldn't find it. Yeah, it's just the same, just added when I receive game. So this is what our code is for now. Game over and restart? Seriously? No. It should broadcast a new message called start game. Sorry. Yeah. Start game. Same over here. Start game. Now we want it in the backdrops. Yeah. In the backdrop, when I receive start game, it is supposed to switch its backdrop to game on. Okay, and that's good. And now we even have to take when I receive, oops, yeah, when I receive start game, and everything we want to replace it with when I receive start game. Start game. I know I don't. This always changes into that dumb one. Yeah, and remember, if then when game over restart, do not change that to start game. When I receive start game, just add all of those in everything we start game, and in the pipe we just have to add one start game, which is good. And on the ground also we want to add a start game, and on the score line also we want to add a start game. And in the numbers, we just want to add a start game. This entire. Ah, start game. Oh, and remember one thing. We want this as this guy's hidden. All of these are hidden. We want them to show whenever it receives start game. So we want to do is start game show when I receive start game. Just in one of those, not in the pole but in the ground. Show in the line also we uh, hide and start game. Hide back in. What? Okay, that score line. It's perfect. Score line. We don't need to do anything. And then after that, in the numbers, start the game. Yeah. Also in the numbers, we wanted to show everywhere. We wanted to show one. Oh, I didn't add that. So remember to add it. I know it's take this today's video is kinda time taking. Wait, why is it hiding? Yeah, this just when I receive start. Yeah, just also when I receive start game. And done. So now let's test it out. Wait, what? Moves on to that dumb place. This looks good. Alright, it is going to that dumb area. That's why. Motions, it's supposed to go to X, something like that. Okay, the backdrop switches, but there's something weird like there. Wait, when I receive. Oh, game over. Okay, start game. Sorry. Oh, reflect click. Game starting. Why isn't it working? Why is there like get ready? There aren't two of them. No. Is it glitching or something happening? Oh, I forgot. We even want to add a when flag click. It should hide. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Uh, yeah. Hey, come on. What? Oh, 1 minute. Hold on. Hold on. We waited for 5 seconds, but I want it to wait about 6 or maybe 7 seconds. So in the pipe also, instead of 5, you have to change it to 7. Otherwise, people will like fall. 7. Score line. Also 7. Alright. And this is going like 5. I think so 3 is good. And instead of 7, it'll be 5. I know I'm kind of wasting a lot of time. 5. So you can skip this part or I can even pause the video. I know I'm not doing it, but because it's gonna take more time. Yeah, so let's see how does it work. Wait, what? It's not even changing its size back. Alright, let's see. Yeah, now it looks good. Yeah, okay, I think so. A Flappy Bird game is kind of perfect. Right, I love it. I love it. Perfect. I love this game. It's good. We just want to show our highest score variable right over there. If you want to do anything more, I'll just set my highest score to 0 for now, so that people can do it, and I'll share the project. You can. I'm even putting my the links of my project in the description box below, so that you can take everything what I did. Yeah, and it was pretty good. So for now, I'm gonna be ending my video. Um, and check out one of these videos that YouTube is recommending, and do subscribe to my channel. If you want, you can hit a like. It's not, you can anytime unlike it and free. So bye bye.